1. You could survive 90 seconds unprotected in space. But a chimpanzee can last up to 3 minutes. 2. There are 2 confirmed oceans in the solar system. One on Earth, and one on Saturn's moon Titan. The biggest difference is Titan is about -180 Celsius. The ocean is liquid methane. It even has waves that get as high as, wait for it, a couple centimeters. 3. There are clouds of alcohol floating in space. 4. Jupiter has over 60 moons. Over 70 now, and well on the way to 80 as today. 5. Neptune was discovered using math. A man named Alexis Bouvard made some predictions on Uranus's future position using Newton's laws of gravity, but when it was later observed it was found to be slightly off. Urbain Le Verrier found that if he assumed there was another planet further out, the discrepancy would be explained and used math to predict where could be found. Finally, a man named Johann Gale looked in the spot Le Verrier specified, and behold there was Neptune. 6. Being able to see a total solar eclipse is a sheer coincidence of timing. The moon is just large enough and just far enough away from Earth to appear to be the exact size of the Sun for a total eclipse, when it covers the entire disk of the Sun. Since the moon is slowly moving away from Earth one day, it will no longer appear large enough to fully cover the Sun and there will be no more total eclipses. This won't happen for 600 million years through, so don't panic. 7. If there was air in space that sound was able to travel through, at the Sun's surface it would emit a deafening 290 decibel, which is so loud that it pretty much transcends sound and just turns into a pressure wave. But at the Earth's surface, it would be about 120 decibel, which is about as loud as standing a couple meters away from an active jackhammer. Where it gets spooky though, is that if the Sun were to suddenly disappear, not only would it take a full 8 minutes for us to notice the lack of sunshine or gravity, but because the speed of sound is so comparatively slow, we would still hear the Sun for another 13.8 years. 8. There are 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, and that number is likely to at least double as Hubble goes further and observes more of the universe. It's insane to think that we live on a mere speck within the Milky Way galaxy, and that there are possibly 199,000 million other galaxies out there, each separated by millions of light years. The enormity of the universe is mind-boggling. 9. The age of the universe is not a single number. Since gravity affects the flow of time, in parts of the universe with more mass than average, the universe is younger than in areas with less mass than average. 10. Space welding. In vacuum, you don't need welding materials to get two metals to fuse. They will do it on their own if you place them close enough.